Good afternoon. Welcome to day 374 at the EMA office, joined with Brian Whitaker and Chairman Mark Kern. Brian, you have the numbers today.
Yes, sir. So for St. Clair County, they've tested 306,144, and that is an increase of 620 since yesterday. For positive test results, they're at 29,066. That's an increase of 31 since yesterday, and those include males and females under the age of 10 up to their 70s. Our daily county positivity is 5.0%. Negative test results are at 277,978. Sadly, we are announcing one new additional COVID-related death, bringing the St. Clair County death total to 465, and that was a male in his 50s who did have underlying health conditions, and our sympathies go out to his family. For those that have completed the IDPH required 10-day isolation period, we are at 28,192. For state totals, they've tested 19,676,396. Positive test results are 1,223,083, which is an increase of 1,220 since yesterday. The state did announce 22 additional COVID-19 related deaths, bringing the statewide death total for COVID to 21,103. For hospitalization numbers, starting with St. Clair County hospitals, we have a sharp increase today. For COVID-19 related hospitalized patients, we are at 41, and the number of patients on ventilators are 5. Regionally, there are 73 patients admitted due to COVID-related illness, and 6 are on ventilators. For our congregate living facilities and outbreak status, these are cumulative numbers, and the change since yesterday is Swansea Rehab and Care Center is now 49 cases and 8 deaths, and that is an increase of 1 case. As we talk about this sharp increase in hospitalization today, that reminds us that testing is so vitally important. The test site at St. Clair Square remains open 8 to 4 on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday, along with testing being available at local pharmacies, express medical facilities. So if there's any doubt that you've been exposed or are feeling symptomatic, make sure you get that test so we can continue to isolate this virus. I'll now turn over to the chairman for his update.
Thanks, Brian. We'll go into the zip code report. 62201 is up 1 today to 572. 62203 is also up 1 to 619. 62206 up 1 to 1295. 62207 up 1 to 584. 62208 up 1 to 1633. 62220 up 2 to 2082. 62221 up 5 to 2783. 62223 up 4 to 1762. 62226 up 2 to 3208. 62232 up 2 to 903. 62239 up 1 to 475. 62240 up 2 to 165. 62258 up 1 to 1054. 62269 up 3 to 3270. And 62285 up 1 to 570. 31 new positives out of 620 people tested brings our county positivity down today to 5%. Our rolling average stays the same at 4.5%, and the regional positivity is also down today to 3%. Bond County comes in at 0%, Clinton County at 0.5%, Madison at 5%. Monroe is 0 today. Randolph County is also 0. St. Clair is 2.1%, and Washington is 2.8%. Herb, an increase of 16 hospitalizations. We haven't been that high since a few days before St. Patrick's Day. Let's hope that the two are not associated.
Well, we've been cautioning about that ever since before St. Patrick's Day, and I just hope this isn't the fallout from that. But over the next several days, we will tell if people were cautious out there. I'm just hoping this is just a little bleep, and everybody that has been admitted since yesterday, are going to get better, and those numbers will go back down because, as we've been saying, that if you reach those hospitals with this COVID, that means you have the severe case of it, and it puts a lot of more strain on our physicians, our hospital staff, and
everybody's getting pretty tired right now. 374 days into this, the hospitals have really been going full speed, and they're looking forward to the end of this pandemic.
Well, the 374 days of all the testing, all the treating, and now we've been doing the vaccinations. They've been helping with them. We couldn't have done it without the help of our partners with the hospitals. Just like, we talk about every day, the mass site down there with the National Guard, all the medical staff. It's a team effort.
And if you're eligible, get vaccinated. Now's the time. There are appointments available. Call up, get vaccinated. Easter is coming. You'll have that, at least the vaccine in your arm for another holiday, and it's a good thing, and it's fairly kind on your time. If you get there, you can get in and out. And we encourage you to take advantage of the mass vaccination site.
The call center is there to help if somebody's having problems, and one of the things that we're still seeing is a small percentage of the elderly population is still calling, needing assistance. So I think that it's contributed to, they weren't sure if they wanted to get the vaccine, and now, it's been going on for some time. So we're going through that wave of the seniors saying, yeah, I want to get it now. So if you need help getting registered, as the chairman said, there are appointments available. The call center will definitely help you get registered to get you down there. I just came back from there a little while ago, smooth sailing. Everybody just going through there like a well-oiled machine, and that's what we want. So 374 days, we're still here. We'll be back tomorrow for day 375. As we said, remember to get tested if you're feeling ill, and if you're not. St. Clair Square Mall, Brian, those dates have been altered now.
Yeah, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday, 8 to 4.
So, you go out there, get tested, especially if you're feeling a little under the weather. Let's get this thing isolated, because we are close. And as the chairman said, please get vaccinated. That's the way we can get this thing under control. Put it in that closet and lock the door and nail it shut, and then we can all get back to normal. We'll be back tomorrow for day 375, and everybody have a good evening.
We must find a way to live with COVID-19 until a vaccine is ready. One proven thing we know is that masks do work. By wearing a mask, you can do your part to help your community by limiting the spread of the virus, and thus helping our businesses remain open and our hospitals able to handle the capacity. To get through this virus, we must work together as a team, and you should do your part by wearing your mask, washing your hands, and watching your social distancing.